Every homeowner has similar concerns and questions related to maintaining their home. The following questions are those that all homeowners ask themselves. How do things in my house work? How do I maintain them? What does a real problem look like? And how should it be corrected? The answers to these questions are in InterNetG's free online Introduction to Home Inspections course. This course will guide you through the systems and components of a typical house, how they work, how to maintain them. You will also learn about what common house problems look like and how they can be corrected. The main systems of a residential building include the following: the roof, the exterior, the basement, foundation, crawl space, and structure, the heating, the cooling, plumbing, electrical, fireplace if there is one, attic, insulation, ventilation, doors, windows, and interior, and that includes bathroom, laundry, attached garage if there is one, and the kitchen. By taking InterNetG's Introduction to Home Inspections course, you will learn what is required to be inspected during a home inspection, including all of the systems and certain components within those systems. Not everything is inspected during a home inspection, and not every defect or house problem will be discovered during an inspection. That's an impossible task for anyone, not just professional home inspectors. It's not possible to find every problem that exists or could exist by performing a home inspection because many house systems and components are simply hidden, covered up, and not visible. Most homes don't have major defects, but some do, and that's the main reason to get a home inspection. And in InterNetG's course, we will learn a lot about what problems in a home look like, how to find them, and how to repair them.